Leaf filters explained by Northgate Construction. Clogged gutters can lead to water overflow, foundation damage, structural issues, mold growth, pest infestations, and potential costly damage to your home's exterior due to water pooling around the foundation from improper water drainage. The solution to clogged gutters. Our leaf filter installation service is scientifically designed to keep everything out of your gutters, except water. We use micro mesh filters that will never rust or corrode and will keep out even the smallest debris particles. Under the micro filter, we install shingle grit, a durable UPVC frame that stands up even to the harshest weather and temperature conditions. Further, Northgate uses strong reinforced internal hangers to secure your entire gutter system. Our professional installers will make sure your gutters are sealed, pitched properly, and in optimal shape prior to installation of your leaf filters, ensuring a system that will last for many years. At Northgate, we also back our gutter systems with a lifetime transferable warranty. Leave your gutters to the professionals and never worry or clean your gutters again. Contact us online for a free inspection and estimate of your gutter system today.